2 of the series. Our new battery just came in, so we're going to go ahead and get this one off and put our new one in and see if it'll crack. Alright, let's give it a shot. Sounds pretty good for being in a garage for 20 years. Honda. Alright, well now that we got it running, there's a few different things we need to do. I want to wrap the exhaust pipes in some tape, cover up all that rust. Paint all the things, sand down some things that have rust on them. And you get new tires. To fix that fuel leak, which should just be a petcock, and whatever other little things we find along the way. I'd like to point out I'm not a mechanic, I'm a contractor, but I find this fun and I like videos, so I figured I'd give it a shot. New to all the editing and everything, so bear with me. But thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for the next step.